Hi, I'm Barbara Ferrer, the Director of LA County's Department of Public Health. And during the week of April 1st through April 5th, we'll be joining public health departments across the country to recognize the importance of ensuring that all residents have the opportunities and resources they need for optimal health and well-being. This year's theme, Science and Action for Health across LA County, reminds us of how important it is to build partnerships that make sure that we're working together to understand and address those factors that are responsible for a lot of ill health across the county. Public Health is proud to host a series of events in every region of LA County during the first week of April that really highlight our commitment and our collective action to support a diverse workforce, thriving communities, and healthy families. I want to thank all of our partners and residents who have worked so hard to make this week possible. Please come and join us, have a good time, learn something, and help us learn more about how we can support you in our joint efforts to make sure that everyone enjoys good health.
We'll be kicking off Public Health Week with a listening session where community members can learn more about CORE centers and provide feedback. CORE stands for Connecting to Opportunities for Recovery and Engagement. The CORE listening session will be held at the Wellness Center at the historic LAC+USC General Hospital. CORE centers will serve as a hub to connect residents to substance use prevention and treatment services. We envision CORE will offer services like education about treatment services, screenings, training on opioid overdose prevention, family support groups, and workshops on topics like preventing teen substance use. But most importantly, we will work with the community and the LA County Health Agency to determine what additional services are needed. Together, we can show that recovery from substance use disorders is possible and that prevention strategies and treatment are effective. We hope that you can join us at this listening session.
On April 2nd, we will host the Public Health Employee Expo and kick off the countywide fitness challenge at Grand Park. Each year, Public Health and the Department of Human Resources work together to offer LA County employees an afternoon full of opportunities to get needed health screenings, chair massages, and fun. Our work to ensure communities have the opportunities and resources to thrive includes our community of county employees. So, county employees, we look forward to seeing you on April 2nd.
On April 3rd, we will launch the Air Quality Flag program at Wilmington Park Elementary School, a partnership between the school and Providence Wellness Center in Wilmington. Each day, the school will raise a flag that corresponds how clean or polluted the air is. School and community members can use this information to try to limit exposure to air pollution. Most importantly, by documenting unhealthy air quality, students, parents, and educators can work together for policies and practices that protect air quality and lessen exposure to harmful toxins.
April 4th is day 4 of Public Health Week, and we are hitting the ground running. Our first event will be at 8:30 a.m. The Department of Public Health is setting up shop at the Pathways to Home shelter and providing free tuberculosis screenings and treatment. Tuberculosis prevention is important because the spread of TB can be prevented through screening, early detection, and treatment. We know it is difficult for the homeless to access care, so this project promotes health equity by bringing services to those at highest risk. At this event, we encourage all shelter residents at Pathways to Home to come out and join us and get screened for TB.
We'll continue the Public Health Week celebration on April 4th at an event at Santa Monica College. At this event, we'll promote life-saving skills like hands-only CPR and stop the bleed training to help people feel better equipped to act in case of an emergency. If a disaster happens and first responders are overwhelmed, emergency services may be delayed. To increase everyone's chances of survival and recovery, it's important to equip as many people as possible with life-saving skills and emergency preparedness resources. We hope you can join us for the Emergency Preparedness and Mental Health Awareness event.
The Public Health Fund Week continues with the launch of the Office of Violence Prevention at the Martin Luther King Center for Public Health. Homicide assault has been the second leading cause of premature death in our county for the past 10 years, ranking among the top 5 causes of premature death. Young Black and Latino men experience the highest rates of homicide death, and our county's South Los Angeles residents experience homicide and assault death rates more than 3 times the county average. Violence is complex, but violence is preventable. It will take a multi-sector approach to address the inequities that place some communities at higher risk of experiencing violence than others. The launch of the Office of Violence Prevention demonstrates the power and potential of multi-sector collaboration as we partner with community residents, local organizations, county departments, and academic and philanthropic partners to create the infrastructure needed to better understand the issues of violence and trauma and affect system and policy change. We hope to see you there.
On April 5th, we'll wrap up Public Health Week with an event for adults over age 50 to prevent diseases spread by mosquitoes. As we get older, our immune systems weaken. This makes it harder for us to fight off illnesses caused by infection. It may make it also harder for us to recover from West Nile virus. We invite adults over age 50 to join us at this event at Joslyn Adult Center in Burbank, where we'll describe what steps you can take to keep yourself healthy.